Hi friends, in this video let us solve the simulation system related question asked in GATE 2005 EC paper. The question is, a sequence x of n has non-zero values are shown in figure. Question A, y of n is equal to x of n by 2 minus 1 for n even, 0 for n odd will be. So we have to find y of n. As per the problem, y of n is equal to x of n by 2 minus 1. So here you see we have shifting of the signal and scaling by the factor of 1 by 2, shifting by 1, scaling by 1 by 2, shifting by 1 unit. So when we are having both shifting and scaling, shifting should be done first. So how can we find y of n from the, how we can find x y of n? From x of n we find shifting x of n by 1, n minus 1. From that we have to find scaling n by 2 minus 1. So what is this is x of n? N minus 1 means it will go right side, one shift right. So minus 2, from here it will go to one shift right means minus 1. It will start from minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So first one is minus 1, 1 by 2, 0 will 1, 1 will be 2, 2 will be 1, it will be 3 will be 1 by 2. This is x of n minus 1. This is x of n minus 1. Then I draw x of n by 2. So scale by 2. Scale by 2 means it is divided by 2. So the signal will expand. So it will be expanded by 2 because it is a is equal to 1 by 2. So where it will start, expander means minus 1 will become minus 2, 0 will become 0 only, 1 will become plus 2, 2 will become 4, 3 will become 6. So of 1, 2, of 1, 2, 1, of. So minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6. Minus 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, half 1, 2, 1, half. So option A is the right answer. So it is starting from minus 3 wrong, it is starting from minus 6 is wrong, right? Everything is wrong. Okay, the next question is find the Fourier transform of y of 2n. So what is y of 2n? See, y of n is equal to x of n by 2 minus 1. Right? Now we have to find y of 2n. Y of 2n, n is equal to 2 means it will become x of n minus 1. Right? So x of n minus 1, I have drawn x of n minus 1 here. Right? So this is x of n by 2 minus 1. Okay. So this is x of n minus 1. For this is x of n minus 1. Right? So for this I have to draw Fourier transform. It will start from minus 1 to plus 3. So x of n minus 1 will start from minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It is 1 by 2, 1, 2, 1, half. Right. So how can I write this is y of 2n? Right? Y of 2n I can write as in terms of del. It is n at minus 1. So magnitude is 1. N at minus 1 means that this del of n plus 1. This is 0. So unit is 1, amplitude 1, del of n. This is 1, amplitude is 2, 2 into del of n minus 1. This is amplitude 1, n at 2, so del of n minus 2. Amplitude of n at 3, del of n minus 3. Okay. So now what we have to do for this, we have to take Fourier transform. So let me take this one is y of 2n. Simply I write as z of n. So it is z of e power j omega. That is Fourier transform of this one I have to find. So 1 by 2. For del of n plus 1, the Fourier transform is x of e power j omega. Right. For this del of n, the Fourier transform is 1. For 2 del of n minus 1, it is 2. N minus 1, it is e power minus j omega. plus n minus 2 means it is e power minus j 2 omega plus 1 by 2 n minus 3 means e power minus j 3 omega, right? Okay, then I take what I do, I take e power minus j omega outside, so it will be 1 by 2 e power minus j omega outside, it will be e power j 2 omega. This one will become e power j omega. This 2 will be 2 plus e power minus j omega plus 1 by 2 e power minus j 2 omega. If you simplify, what will get e power j omega, right? So what I write, e power j 2 omega plus e power minus j 2 omega is 2 divided by 2 plus e power j omega plus e power minus j omega plus 2. So this is e power minus j omega. This is cos 2 omega. This area is cos 2 omega. What about this 2? This is 2 cos omega. This is 2. So it is e power j. This is the answer. So e power minus j omega cos 2 omega 2 cos omega plus 2. So where is the answer? After C, e power minus j omega cos 2 omega 2 cos omega plus 2. So cos 2 omega e power minus j omega cos 2 omega plus 2 cos omega 2 e power. Oh, here there is no e power minus j omega. Here only we have. So option C is the right answer. Thank you.